Hello there friends, welcome to another video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. There are times where I want to paint something, don't have a lot of time, and I find that painting something small scale is achievable in a short period of time, and it's enjoyable. And I save all these little paintings for, oh, I have this backwards, all these little paintings for cards. So they're useful little paintings and I really enjoy creating them. So today I wanted to do something really simple and loose. I have my Muño pan paints. I have some, what is this, Fluid 100% cotton watercolor paper. I have 2 jars of water, one for cleaning my brush and one for clean water if I need it. I also have 3 brushes here. A #1 silver black velvet script brush. I have a #4 silver black velvet and a #8. I also have an old brush that I use for mixing my paints. And for this painting, I want to use, I have to turn my my palette this way for a moment because my color chart is this way. So if I don't have the paints in the same direction, I can't tell what color I'm using. I'm going to mix a little Persian blue onto my palette. I don't need a lot. I'm going to add some water to it. And I want a little yellow. I'm going to grab some lemon yellow, add that to my palette as well. And I'll show you what the palette looks like in just a moment. And then I need like a grayish brown color, I think. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of the French gray, add it to the palette, and then I'll pick up a little Van Dyke brown and add it to that gray, just a little bit. I want it to be a grayish. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is it. And then I want a really diluted blue. So I'm going to use a little indigo with a lot of water. And then I'm going to get a little bit of that same indigo, but in a heavier consistency. And that's it. Oh no, I need some green. So this is a really small painting. That's why I'm only mixing a little bit of paint. So for my greens, I like a very earthy green. So I'm going to grab a little olive green, put that there, and then I have gray green, which I like a lot also. So now we are ready to paint. I'm going to turn my palette around so I can grab those colors. Again, it's just a simple little painting, but it also inspires me to do more because sometimes I get into a rut and I don't feel like painting. So this is a good exercise as well for when you're in a rut. Just paint something small, paint something simple. I'm going to take my script brush and I'm going to go into that brownish gray color. I'm going to move my brushes out of the way. And I don't know what I'm going to paint. Let's just see. I'm not sure what this is called. I think it's like a Queen Anne. I don't know. If you know what this is, let me know. I have a little reference photo of a few flowers that I wanted to paint that I thought were fairly simple. So and while I'm here, I might as well add a few little leaves. And I'm also, I think I need a little bit more of an orangey color. So I'm going to pick up a little bit like that, and I'll add a couple of extra little branches here and